51 seconds left, 3rd and goal for the 5. Johnny Photo in pistol sends Marquez Gilmore in motion to the far. Photo takes the chest high snap. Pruitt delayed handoff, goes around a blocker to the left, keeps moving forward. He broke the plane. He broke the plane. Coyote touchdown. DeMarco Pruitt followed a big throw out to the left side, and he gets the TD as the Coyotes are ahead, 41-40. 46 seconds to go.
3rd down out of the inverted wishbone. Sides looking to pass. He'll throw the fade left side, and he's got his man. It's Ty Sides to the left side. He'll haul it in for the touchdown, Phillipsburg. The Panthers strike first. Just like last week, they go to the air from Trey Sides to his brother Ty Sides from 25 yards out. And the Phillipsburg Panthers take advantage of the interception by Trey Sides. He finds his brother Ty Sides.
They await the snap from Montgomery. There it is. This time they're going to hand it off to Peterson. Peterson gets it to the outside. Nobody's catching Ethan Peterson. He's at the 35-30, 25-20, 15-10-5. Touchdown, Redmond! With 11:11 left to go in the first quarter, the Redmond strike first. A 60-yard touchdown run for Ethan Peterson.
Here's the snap to Trenton Colby from Montgomery. He's going to take the handoff to Heston Maxwell. It's the same play they scored on, and they scored again. Ethan Peterson off left side of left guard and tackle. Charlie Timmons and Austin Hobelman. And that's going to be another touchdown. Smith Center leads 13-0 with 7:46 to go here in the first quarter.
Here's a pass. It's intercepted at the 20, 10, 5, and this game is over. A return on a pick six. Jared Bieberly with 10:24 to play in the 3rd quarter gets a pick six of about 17 yards, we'll call it, to end this football game. 52-6 is your final, and the Central Plains Oilers, champions for the first time since 2014.